And I invite you to come standing position, if not already standing. We're going to start with opening the meridians today. So just find your body posture centered, connecting by hui to the blue sky, and the feet are on the earth. Gently connect to Shenji Palace and to your intention already happening. Hala. And we can open the feet to shoulder width and gently squat down, just a soft squat as if you're sitting on a bar stool. Gently raise your arms to in front of you, palms facing forward. And we're going to clench the tip of the fingers and the tip of the toes at the same time, bringing the whole force to really the tip. So we're not doing this, but we're really clenching just the tip of the fingers and toes at the same time. And so we can start clenching as much force as you can in the tip of the fingers, tip of the toes, and release. Clench, release, clench, release, clench, release, clench, release, release. We continue. 1, release. 2, release. 3, release. 4, release. 5, release. 6, release. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping a gentle smile, continuing. 7, 8,